Bonafide Hustler's here, and today we're going to do a hot shot. Today we're going to do a hot shot. All right, got the box in the car. Yes, it fits. I'm going here, say bye to the neighbor. Later, buddy. Today we're going to do a hot shot. Welcome to my channel. I am the Bonafide Hustler. I reside in Austin, Texas, and today we're going to be predominantly looking for the used goods at thrift stores that I can resell on Amazon, eBay, Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist, places like that. We're also going to go to my antique booth for a split second so I can get some pictures taken, and you'll see why. If you want to learn about some cool used items that you can flip for cash, all right, you need to check out my free guide, which is down below at bonafidehustler.com. Go get it. It's free. Download it, study it. Mini Space Pod got a $18 Amazon Prime upgrade right here. This is from Anchor, and it allows a car that doesn't have Bluetooth capability or even an aux cable, which this car does not. It allows it to have Bluetooth capability, and it pairs it with an FM signal. And it has 2 USB ports. What? I can charge all my cool stuff. This car is becoming more amazing than my future. I'm telling you right now, that was a good $18 investment. If you have a car that's kind of like this, you might want to get one. What's up, man? Can I give you this? It's ready to go.
Not a problem.
Thanks, buddy. All right, dude. See ya. Yes. Thought I'd go to the post office today. Yes. Yes. At the Lake Austin Goodwill. About to get in there. See if I can find any cheddar. Let's go. There's a giant right here. Pretty messed up shifter though. Yeah, that's a pass. This giant is interesting. This one looks much better. Oh, I might have to grab that one. It's not in terrible condition. I'll think about it. Giant is not the strongest brand when it comes to kids' bikes. That's the thing. Don't see anything yet. I'm still looking. Oh, some cool pants right here. $7. It's one of the older models because it's not, they don't say what model it is inside. It's a tough call. I might get into them. See what the size is. 33, 34. Strong size. I'll probably get in this one. Pretty cool waxed jacket right here. Made by kind of a no-namer brand. Urban Code, London. I'll look this up. So I grabbed those cool pants. They were $6.81 out the door. It said 6 on Instagram on my story. It's $6.81, guys. Anyways, so I got those. Resell about 50. And let's go to the next thrift store. I put this in the spaceship. I don't know if it'll fit, man. It's a pair of pants, tiny spaceship. I mean, I might have to call another truck or something to meet me here because this is pretty much going to be a capacity in this car. Next Goodwill, you've seen it in my videos, the boutique on 9th Street. It's a good place to find some good goods. What? If you guys ever saw the blooper reel of all this stuff that I filmed, you'd be like, holy crap. This dude messes up a lot. Maybe I should put a blooper reel. Comment down below, let me know if I should put one together. What kind of boots are these? These are mountain biking gloves. $4. Wow. That's a pretty good deal for mountain biking gloves. Maybe Whitney could fit in this. Who knows? Oh, these are actually some Ralph Lauren boots. Interesting. Alright, I sensed another reseller was in the store. I'm pretty sure he's a reseller, but anyways, I had to go really fast. This is what I'm considering, those Ralph Lauren boots. $6 for this Insta360 1X 5.7K camera. Still haven't even opened the box and checked it out. This is probably one of the biggest wins of the day. This is $10. Look at this, guys. $10 right there. CC Filson little, like kind of just a normal little bag, maybe a laptop bag, but still. God, are you kidding me? What is this doing here? What? It's fully weathered up. This looks so good. Extreme cheddar warning. Look at this. These shorts come from Ibiza Ocean Club. Ooh, yeah, let's party. Ooh. And there she is. This is the only thing I'm walking out with amongst all that stuff. I decided against the Ralph Lauren boots. They were $30. None have sold on eBay in the past 90 days. It's a very long tail item that would have probably sold for about 120, probably. but it probably could be 3 months, 6 months, 9 months. I don't want to mess with that. So here is a $9.73 CC Filson bag. Good used condition, looks awesome. Probably $100 honestly, or more. Next thrift store, Savers. Dang man, people be mad. What? I'm so mad. It's like a really beautiful day. Maybe we'll find another CC Filson bag. Maybe we'll find a 5.7K camera that's 360. I don't know. That would be sweet though. It really bummed me out that that camera was not in that box. Let's look through the glass stuff first. Cool polo boots down there. Those are sick. I'll have to look into those. Those are really rad. Ew. 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 Oh, here it is. The worst one of all right here, guys. Ew, 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 ew. That was the worst one. Sometimes I wish it was the 90s again, man. They just used some really cool little colors and stuff. Equalizers and, I mean, just, oh, man. It's just cool. Scouting for cheddar, scouting for cheddar. Don't see any right now. Got some Fry boots right here. Found them over here. I was just touching some of the boots and this one felt pretty good. Pretty nice. Yeah, I'll get into them. $8, probably resell 80 to 100. All right, does that look familiar? That's the Old Lady Thrift Store. It's not a Wednesday, it's a Thursday, and we'll see. I don't think I'm gonna find anything here, but I'm so close. It was right down the road. May as well go to it. If you're enjoying these hot shots, make sure you hit the like button, because if you didn't hit the like button or comment, did you even watch the video? Think about it. I don't think you did, because you're not commenting or you're not liking. I don't think you did.
And did you use the...
I'm not gonna lie, I've been thinking about getting another one of these. I haven't had one since college. As I remember, it makes things like really crunchy on the outsides, which is not good. As predicted, nothing. All right, so I'm gonna head towards the antique booth. There's one more Goodwill, then we should be done with the hot shot. I'll have to do something at the booth that might make my future really good. You'll see. Okay, I wanted to go to another Goodwill, then the antique booth, but then Taco Deli is on the way to the antique booth. Oh, and I can't stop thinking about them tacos. What is wrong with me? The tacos got into my head. One thought became two thoughts. Kind of like a little gamete that split. You know what I'm talking about? When like a kid gets born, there's like that thing and then it splits and it splits again. Oh, man, my thoughts. They're multiplying. I have to get tacos if it's still open. I think it is. Oh, man. I shouldn't come down this road. I should know better.
Don't do it. He's never here on Thursday, guys.
I don't know what's wrong with me.
Can't stay away from that akushi.
I'm gonna take a shrimpacito. Let's just look at this beauty right here. A little shrimp taco and some vegan tacos, some pureed black beans, pico de gallo, avocado. Does it get any better, guys? No, it doesn't. I'm gonna eat it up. Wrapped up the tacos. I'm gonna hit one Goodwill really quickly, like in and out, super fast. And then I gotta go to the booth. That's the agenda. Let's get to the next Goodwill. Those tacos were delish. Ish. Oh my gosh. Oh man, I knew something wasn't right. I think they moved to the new location. The new Goodwill is open? I think it is. I must take a look, I have to. Oh my gosh, my life is complete. The new Goodwill has opened. OMG. I'm ecstatic, because this Goodwill is supposed to be one of the biggest ones in Austin now. And it is way closer to my house, like 5 or 6 exits. Wow. Oh, it looks huge inside. Jeez. Look at the size of this Goodwill. Ew, it has Velcro on it. What? Looks like some bags to bucks. This is typically the section I'm not very good at, and I don't want to be good at that, but too much sifting to do that section. I do like the more laptop bag section, outdoor bags. Much easier to find a winner there. Atmos or an Ionos? Yep, Atmos. Pretty decent bike helmet, actually. Gosh, there's so many shoes. What? For $5, I walked out buying this Cobra charger. It's a very low rank in its category. $5 here, and after all said and done, $42 is what Amazon pays out. Okay, time to go to the booth because I have to get a couple pictures of me in the booth to send to a audition company or production company. I don't know what it is. It's basically someone that's casting for a show where I would be a host. So I'm in the contention of getting this position, but you know, by no means am I solidified or anything. I just went through the first round, and yeah, it would be a traveling gig too, like not in the USA, like around the world. So we'll see if I get it, but the guy was really pumped up to, you know, speed up the process a little bit. So I have to get him pictures of me with my wife, my dogs, the things I like to do, me and my hustling environment, that kind of stuff, so they can put it together and show the producers who that person on the tape. When I say tape, I was on a Skype interview the other day with him, so we'll see how it goes. All right, I'm at the antique booth. Man, they are making the whole parking lot black. It's pretty smart. It's not like it gets 100 degrees for like 5 months out of the year here in Austin, Texas or anything. I think a black parking lot's a good idea. All right, here's the booth. Booth looking good. I like it. Just gotta get a couple shots done. Let's do this. Just put on a Pearl Snap shirt that was in my booth. And I just need to find someone to take my picture. Good. I have a favor to ask you. Will you take my picture in my booth? Yes. All right, got the pictures taken. Got to get down the freeway before the traffic gets crazy. It's only 3:15 here in Austin, and that's when you guys start thinking, where am I, you know, in town, in relation to where I need to be, because it could take a long time to get to that place if you're not careful with traffic. But guys, I really liked vlogging this for you guys, so hit me up with a like, leave me a comment, and I'll see you on the next Bonafide Hustler or Ride Along. Take it easy. Goodbye!